on the road again for the last day.
This
Day 10.
Day 10.
California. This is my first time going to the West Coast. I'm excited. I'm going there and back again. Up and down. I read it there. Welcome to California!
Oh my god!
Hailing. Look at this. Welcome to Christie's New Hood. This is North Hollywood. Or in Hollywood. That feels weird. We made it! Now we get to deal with this.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Yep, fun. Great.
Hey!
Christy's making new friends already. This is Huckleberry. So, thoughts so far. And out here is California. Jenny's ice cream.
So we're here at the Santa Monica Pier, and we're at the end of our trip.